Over the next few minutes you'll discover best wedding favors of 2021 trend. You don't want to miss out on this newest best wedding favors of 2021 trend. Showing appreciation never becomes dated. Also, there's no better method to communicate that by giving customized wedding favors for your visitors. With constantly and exertion needed to get ready for your wedding, finding the best wedding favors ought to be clear and tranquil. As you pick your wedding favors, remember what's on the pattern for 2021. More than that, are reasonable and pick some help that is important. All things considered, you might want the recollections of your wedding to remain with your visitors long after your extraordinary day. These are more than 100 of the best wedding favors that are ensured to dazzle your visitors. 1 leather bottle opener. Give your wedding a rustic feel with this leather bottle opener. Your guests will love how useful and practical they are. Not only that, personalize your favors with your choice of 5 different colors and add your names, the date, and last name to commemorate your special day. 2 SLATE coaster. Give your wedding guests a unique gift that will remind them of your wedding for years to come. This practical SLATE coaster comes in your choice of 2 designs that will be laser engraved into the SLATE coaster for a gift that will last a lifetime. The coasters will be engraved with your names and your wedding date along with the design you choose. 3 wine stoppers. If your guests love wine, and who doesn't, our wine stopper is a wedding favor that they will surely love. Wine stoppers are a practical, functional, and beautifully made gift for wine lovers. A good bottle of their favorite wine will never be wasted if your guests have this item at their homes. They can use it to keep their wine fresh after opening the bottle. They will swoon over its cozy wooden design that is engraved with the groom and bride's names, along with the date of the wedding. It is a wonderful token of saying thanks for celebrating our wedding day with us. 4 TEALIGHT holder. Wedding favors for guest, rustic gift, rustic wedding favors, wedding favor ideas, TEALIGHT holder, personalized favor, TEALIGHT favors. 5 antique love bottle opener. So beautifully practical. It may be the key to your heart, but to your grateful guests, this quaint bottle opener is their good old key to cold, uncapped refreshment, wherever they may be, perfect as bridal shower favors or wedding favors. It is an antique design, precious key, perfect to give to your amazing wedding guests. It will definitely add an extra flair to your favors. 6 personalized stemless wine glass. Go unlimited if you dare. Take a beverage on the wild side with breathtakingly fun stemless wine glass favors that are stemless, yet stand their ground. Customized with your decision of plan, it features your names and wedding date in 8 rich tones and makes a special wedding favor when loaded up with your #1 treat or TEALIGHT candle. After the wedding, it holds a flavorful refreshment for your visitors to appreciate. 7 Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right wedding Cancooler set. Engagement gifts. This Cancooler combination will sure to make the bride and groom laugh. At least the bride anyway. Wedding gifts. One of the best wedding anniversary gifts you can find at very reasonable price. Even great for a honeymoon. Couples gifts. Great wedding gift for the couple. Or even a wedding anniversary gift for the couple. 8 personalized wedding cups. Wedding cups, rustic wedding favors, gifts for wedding guests, personalized wedding cups, barn wedding party favors, sunflower wedding decor 1B. 9 silver key bottle opener wedding favor with tag. Gift for both male and female guests. Key style is more neuter, masculine plus feminine. Both men and women guests are bound to want to take them home. Tags material 400 GSM, 148 pounds, with 0.02 thickness, size 3.74 inches by 1.8 inches, not flimsy at all. Save time, for your last minute's party. No spending time to write or stamp the saying on tags, Just tied the tags and skeleton key bottle opener with the ribbon. The printed text reads, "Thank you for coming. Love is the key to happiness, and this key will open a bottle." No need to explain to each of your guests that it's a bottle opener again and again. 10 Bulk Hand Sanitizer. Bulk Hand Sanitizer, share love not germs, weddings, parties, events, wedding favor, custom hand sanitizer with aloe and essential oils. This product has been tested on humans, not animals. This 2-ounce container fits perfectly in a purse or bag and has a sleek design. Also works great for in-home use. Spray bottle delivers product safely and effectively. Essential oils may separate. Shake well before use. Sanitizer contains no added colors, artificial fragrances, dyes, or chemical additives. No sticky residue. Features pure liquid aloe vera, alcohol and high-grade essential oils. The formula is 70% alcohol, more than the 60% required by the CDC. www.cdc.gov. To effectively kill viruses and bacteria.
Please keep to watch in part 2. Please like, comment and subscribe.